Are you driving a heavy-duty diesel truck and suddenly noticing it idles strangely low while an electronic throttle light flashes on your dash? You might be dealing with a P02E2 diagnostic trouble code. This specific powertrain code means your engine computer has detected a low electrical condition in the diesel intake airflow control circuit. Your diesel engine uses a special motorized throttle plate bolted to the intake manifold to strictly regulate the amount of fresh air entering the system. The main computer monitors the mass airflow sensor to see exactly how much air is coming in. When the computer commands the intake air control motor to adjust that airflow, but the voltage signal at the motor stays stubbornly below 0.3 volts for too long, it sets off this alarm. While this is not an immediately catastrophic failure, you will definitely experience some annoying symptoms. Your malfunction indicator light will turn on, your idle speed will likely drop, and most importantly, your diesel particulate filter will completely stop its regeneration cycle. Without this cycle to burn off the accumulated black soot, your exhaust will choke up, eventually leading to a massive loss of engine power. The most common causes for this issue are an electrical short to ground inside the signal wire, a totally failed actuator motor, or thick carbon buildup jamming the throttle plate. To start fixing this yourself, pop the hood and locate the control motor on the intake manifold. Closely inspect the plastic electrical connector and the wiring harness for any melted spots, bare wires rubbing against metal, or green corrosion on the metal pins. If they look dirty, spray them out with electrical contact cleaner. Next, you can remove the intake hose and use a clean rag soaked in intake cleaner to carefully wipe away any thick carbon deposits stuck behind the throttle blade. Never spray the cleaner directly into the engine, as it can cause severe misfires or even damage your catalytic converter. If cleaning everything out does not solve the low idle, you can use a digital voltmeter to verify the motor is getting its required 12 volts of power with the ignition turned on. Working with diesel electronics and testing computer circuits can be pretty intimidating. If a basic cleaning does not clear the code, or if you need to replace and reprogram the powertrain control module, it is definitely time to schedule a visit with a certified diesel mechanic. They have the right factory scan tools to safely test the actuator motor and force a soot regeneration cycle. Keep that diesel breathing cleanly and have a safe trip on the road.